Coming soon to cinemas, roads near you soon. Tyre Safe's TYREFLIX Productions, featuring all the titles to keep you safe on the roads this year. As the legendary, the good, the bad, and the underinflated shows us, check your tire pressure each month to make sure you're not cast as the villain. Find your tire's size and look up the right pressure settings in the handbook, fuel filler cap, or in the door shut. Now for iconic road movie done in 60 seconds. Who knew a potentially life-saving check could be done so efficiently? Check your tires for any stones or loose objects caught in the tread. And if you can remove them without causing any damage, then take them out. Nails might easily have penetrated the tire, and bulges could be a sign of internal damage. So if you spot these or any cuts, make sure you get a professional to check them for you. Last but never least, it's the essential Judge Tread. It's an action movie with an important message. Tread depth should be at least 1.6 millimeters, otherwise your tires are illegal. And you don't want to be facing a possible £2,500 fine and 3 penalty points for each tire. To avoid being judged, simply pop the coin into the tire's tread across its width and at several points around its circumference. If you can see the border, then your tire may be illegal. Don't forget to add future TYREFLIX presentations to your watch list, like The Usual Suspects and Tire Story, coming soon on Tyre Safe's social media channels and website. Make sure your tires are ready for action this month and every month. TyreSafe.org